How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. So a gift from Google Fi, and if you guys have Google Fi and you guys haven't done it yet or haven't seen the notification in the Google Fi app, definitely check your Google Fi app now. They are giving out a gift. Now, hang on one second. I'll show you what I got. Last year, just for being a Google Fi member, last year we got a Christmas gift too. So, last year we got a free photo book from Google Photos, so you guys can see. And yeah, you just pick the pictures that you want. I think it was like only like 10 pages, but still good enough, right? And if you haven't made a photo album with Google Photos, I definitely recommend it. But this year, they gave us something a little bit different. So this just arrived. Some people have already gotten theirs already, as I posted on Twitter. And here I am using a sim tool to cut the tape. Alright, so here we go. And what you get is a Google Nest Mini. So I chose the Google Assistant launch. I chose the charcoal gray because most of the colors had already been taken already. I actually wanted the coral one, but that was already out of stock. As soon as it was apparent to Google Fi subscribers that you can get a Nest Mini as a Christmas gift from Google Fi, people pounced. So here we go. Let's go ahead and set the cellophane on this. And we'll get this open. And I already have a Google Home. Actually, I have the original Google Home. And I just right now set that up in the living room. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead, take this out of the box and set it up here in my room. So here we go. There it is. Right there for you guys. A little hockey puck. Not anything like big, but this is great for the room, and it's got a little thing right here where you can actually wall mount it. I may just wall mount it like right here. I don't know. We'll see. But that comes in there. Let's go ahead and dig out the tray itself. Looks like there's more booklets and stuff like that. Here's the actual power brick, which is a lot smaller than the one that came with my original Google Home. And yeah, so you get that and some booklets and stuff. Let's get started guides, and being a part of your home means respecting your privacy. Kind of interesting. Let me just peel this open and see if there's like any type of other goodies you get. So just get like a little guide here that basically tells you how to set it up, warranty, stuff like that, and just a little card. So no like extra stuff, no like subscription things or anything like that, but nonetheless, just getting this just for being a Google Fi customer, a little Christmas gift from Google. And so that's yeah, it's not the main reason why I like, you know, Google Fi, but it is really nice that they do things like this. So like I said, last year was a photo album. You can make your own photo album, which I did, and this year Google Nest Mini. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I could go through the process of setting it up, but it's fairly easy. You just use Google Home to do that. So yeah, that is it for this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Smash the like button if you guys enjoyed the video, and I would appreciate a subscribe and also the bell notification to be notified when I upload another video. Would really appreciate that. Organizing box setup. Here on the desk. That's it for now. That's it for right now, guys. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch, and as always, aloha.